Do you feel your husband understands what you're trying to say? Do you feel your wife expects you to fully understand everything she's feeling?
There was this couple that came into this restaurant, and as they came in, this wife noticed this couple over in the corner. They were on the same side of the booth, and he had his arm around her, and women can see this from 3 planets away. So as they're coming in, she's watching this the whole time. The husband's just trying to get seated somewhere. So now they're seated, but she's still watching that. And this guy's stroking her hair. He's whispering things. She's laughing. Her head's going back. And it's unbelievable. And she's just fixated on this. And finally, she says to her husband, "Do you see that couple over there?" "What? Do you see that couple over there?" "Yeah. What about him?" "Well, look at how he's got his arm around her. He's stroking her hair. He's speaking sweet nothings into her ear." "Yeah? Well, why don't you do something like that?" "I don't even know that woman."
Come to the Love and Respect Marriage Conference. We'll help your husband understand your femininity. We'll help your wife understand your masculinity. We have many serious moments, but there's a lot of fun too.